Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in WhatsApp Business. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to log in WhatsApp Business account, you need to first of all tap open the WhatsApp Business app. Once you open the app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on agree and continue. So simply tap on use previous number to allow and give permission to WhatsApp. After providing all kind of permission, it will start to connect with your account which you have created prior, and now transfer is getting in progress. Now simply to create a business profile, type in your name and select the category of your business, and after this is done, tap on next. After the initializing is also completed, end up in this page, so simply tap on not now, and for backup you can select any of the accounts and frequency and hit the OK button, and your login process in your WhatsApp business account will be successful. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.